Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you share any post on your Instagram to your Instagram followers or anyone you want. How can you do that? Firstly, we just have to install and update our Instagram application on our app store here. And I will open my app here. You can see this is my home page. I will swipe to the right in the chat option here and swipe to the left for the post. You can see this post is from Hindustan Times. So if I want to share this post, how can I do that? You can see there is three option in the left bottom of the post, that is like, comment, and the third one is share, and the fourth one you can see on the right bottom of the screen. This is save option. You can save this post from here and send it later to anyone you want. And if you want to share it right now, so just click on this share option. You can share it on your story, you can share it on your WhatsApp, you can share it on your, you can also copy the link, so you can share it from this post anywhere you want. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.